Friends, as you seen that in this example, we have to find three characters from each and every first name and second name. Now imagine if we don't have to find three names, we have to find complete first name and complete second name. Then it is altogether a different problem. Let us solve it in our next exercise. This exercise says that first name dot last name at the rate mail domain name. We have to create in this manner. So first we have to write out the first name. Earlier we have to have only three characters. Now we don't know how many characters are there. In this case there are five. In this case there are three. In this case there are six. Now if there are 100 names, we are not sure that if the first name is of 5 character length or 6 character or 7 or 8. So let us see how we can find it out. We'll write equal to left bracket open and we'll select our data, then comma. Now we have to have number of characters. Now what we have to do is we have to identify the space. Space is a separator between the first name and the last name. What we have to do, we have to identify the space. So we'll find out space using find, and we have to find out the space inverted commas comma. Then we have to find in A4 and we'll start from 1. In this manner we'll find out the space, and if we subtract 1 from this, then we will get the first name of the string, and we'll have bracket close and enter. Now we see we are having a first name. We'll drag it to find out the first name from all. Now we require the last name. Let us try to find out the last name. This thing will be equal to mid bracket open and the text. Our text is this comma start. Now from where we have to start? In all cases are same. Remember in the previous example we used. So we'll find the space, and we have to find a space in A4, and we will start from 1 bracket close. Now when we find the space, we will add 1 to it plus 1. If in this case the couple length is 5 and space is 6, so the answer of find is 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 is the M, the starting point of surname M. So second position is starting from M comma. Now it says how many characters. Earlier we had written 3 because we have to pick only 3 characters. But now every surname is of different length. Mohan 5, Saxena 6, Bhatt 4, Gulati 6, Sharma 6. All are of different length. We don't know what is the length actually. So what we have to do is we have to again use find. What we can do is we can find the length of the whole, and out of the whole we subtract the length of the space. If we find the whole length and subtract space, we'll get the length of the surname only. So we'll do it. We'll find the length name, and from this we'll subtract the length of the surname. And how to find the length of the space? We'll write down find bracket open space and put a comma. We have to find a space in this comma 1 bracket close for find, and then bracket close and press enter. So see, we have had the surname and we can drag it down like this. Now the rest is easy. We have first name, we have second name. We can create email IDs very easily. Like we have to have equal to first name ampersand inverted commas dot inverted commas ampersand second name ampersand inverted commas at the rate inverted commas ampersand, and after that we will select the domain and press enter. In this way we can create the complete mail ID. We knew K and M is capital letters. We can put this in lower, and we can have all characters in lower cases.